Hello.
Uptown Swing level 1.
6 count.
6 count.
Peter Bell.
Yes, we did a couple new things and some refining. You guys did great with all that stuff. The first new thing was this kind of drawing a line between us, and then we're gonna take triple steps down there. I'm gonna cross it. She's gonna cross on the second one. So check it out. It's rock, step, I cross. She crosses. I just hold her and move myself.
Always be patient.
Always hang back, yeah.
Here. And then you get scooped.
And when you first try it, you will succeed at it, and then followers actually be patient. And then it was like even better. Followers really made it better.
Felt nice.
Yeah, started feeling juicy and delicious. Then we did this right here. Having shaken hands, we're gonna go rock, step, triple step, triple step. And we often connected some stuff where we're like, let's move this way. And let's move this way. And let's try a tuck turn. And then let's do this.
And we continue with this momentum.
You keep on dancing. Yeah? We did a lot of practice of sort of getting ourselves to turn while triple stepping and getting that second triple step behind you. Both leaders and followers be okay with that.
Not like this, but more like this.
Really, really helped. So that's called a side pass. And then we did a send out. Send out is just right here. It's like a tuck turn, but way easier. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Mostly from this side, and it's a lot easier when you're dancing into it. So when we're here, we'll go rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, stretch, triple step, that's it. Peace.